unburdened of their huge billion debt for the past decade, for the past 5 decades. At sa wakas, nabigyan na sila ng titulo. Ngayon, tulungan natin ang mga magsasaka. Ako'y talagang nagtatrabaho para sa mga kabataan. I think I have a Young Creatives Challenge, Young Farmers Challenge. I have projects for computers and IT. I also am very, very concerned that specialist hospitals be brought to the region. So my track record, I think, is defensible. And also, I think at the end of the day, the question of public service is really one of integrity, of courage, of principle. So kahit marami kang track record, marami kang kwalifikasyon, marami kang fans, ang totoo, character pa rin ang mamumuno. Sino ang tatayo at lalabanan ang mali kahit masakit na, kahit may nasasaktan na, kahit malapit sa'yo. Siguro iilan lang tayo na tatayo at makikipaglaban. Pero para sa akin, mas mahalaga ang Pilipino sa nangingibabaw sa lahat.
Okay, now Senator, if you win, you win. But what if you don't win? What will happen? What are your plans?
Politics is not the most important thing in the world. I'm not very, very ambitious. The intended career path was actually in the creative industries, if I had the choice. So it's not the end of the world. I'm a very, very busy, curious, and productive person, I believe. Parati akong maraming project kahit papano. But the concept, the possibility of losing is not in the mind of any candidate. It's certainly not in mine.
All right. Senator, thank you.
Walang balak for the win po to, kahit nangangarag, kahit hirap, kahit ano-ano pa ang sinasabi ng survey, tayo ay mangingibabaw sa awa ng Panginoon.
All right. Anything you want to add before we go? You know, at the end of the day, this is a Marcos. This whole 6 years is really, it's very historical with Marcos getting back into power. What is your message to your brother? Because I'm sure you've seen families who have infighting suffer politically. You've seen how it affected the Binites, right? You've seen that. The Binites, the infighting with the family. What is your message to your brother, looking at the bigger picture of your father's legacy and this administration?
Nakakatawa nga yung tanong I find the question a little bit curious because, in fact, hindi naman kami nag-aaway na magkapatid. Wala naman away sa pamilya.
Hindi lang kayo nag-uusap. Hindi lang kayo nag-uusap.
Kasi